Hi friends, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really easy number birthday cake. First I'm doing my strawberries. I'm just dipping them in candy melt, and then I'm just adding some of these little, I don't even know what you call them, but yeah. And then once I have all my strawberries done, then I'm doing little hearts and all that. But they all have molds. So now that I've baked my cake, I'm cutting my number out, and I just basically printed this out off the internet, and I just traced it and onto my cake, and I'm cutting it out slowly like that. And then I'm going to go in and peel off my cake. I do have parchment paper underneath my pan, so it's easier. It doesn't stick as crazy. And I'm just going in and I'm peeling it slowly like this. Now I've done that and I've made my icing, and I'm going in and I'm piping it slowly all the way around. Then I'm going to add my second number 5 on top of this number 5 like that. And then I'm going to pipe it again. And I'm just going in and piping it all around like that. And once you're done piping, now you can start decorating, and that's what I made my strawberry chocolate dips for. I'm just sprinkling some sprinkles on here, but you can't really see it because it's white, just to see if it gives a little bit of accent to it like that. And then just throwing some silver balls in there like so. And the person that ordered this is turning 56, so I'm making 2. I'm making a 5 and a 6. So now I'm adding my strawberries on. And then you just kind of play around with it. You just place it any way you want just to make it look nice. And so I added a seashell and little hearts, and then I'm doing little silver balls all around like that. Oh no, okay, my strawberry just fell. So I'm going to add a smaller strawberry there. There you go. So I have the 5 now. And same thing with the 6. After you cut out the 6, which I didn't show that part because obviously you just trace out the 6. You cut it off the internet. Make sure you cut it to your printer paper size. And after that, you're just going to put it on top of your cake and then cut it off your cake slowly, which you're going to see here. And so then same thing, I'm going in and I'm piping in the bottom first, the bottom number 6, like so. And this actually took longer than, I just speed up the video. Then you're going to put another 6 on top. There you go. It's a little burnt, but it's okay. And then I'm going to start piping all of it all around like so. And just covering everything. And then sometimes if there's little cracks, I like to go in and you know, fill it in so it's not noticeable. And plus you're putting stuff on top, so you won't be able to really see it anyways. Now I'm adding my strawberries, my seashells, and my hearts, and my little chocolate squares. And then I'm putting gold flakes on my strawberries too. And then you just put all around like so, and you're done. And refrigerate it, box it up, and it's ready to go. It's super easy and simple. If you like our videos, please subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye friends!